each pass would just be like, yes, oh my god, yes. Welcome back to Bald Head Basics. Today we have another shave review talking about the Gillette Skin Guard razor. I'm excited for this one because not only am I using the Skin Guard razor, but I'm also using their cooling shaving cream, and I want to see if it's worth the hype. And let's get into the video. Come on, you can't be in every video. This is Bald Head Basics with Robert, not Robert and Chippy, who doesn't even shave. I've been seeing this razor everywhere. They have been marketing the boom boom out of it. So you've seen the commercials, came out some time ago, but they've really been amping it back up. It's been marketing towards black men and people who have sensitive skin, maybe curly hair textures, and letting them know that you can use a straight razor to get that close shave that you want. So come with me, let's see if it's worth the hype. And let's go. So the razor comes in a razor and also a stand to hold it into. Now this is new for me, honey, because you know I just put the razor on the sink and that's it. But you know they're trying to elevate, you know, their shave line. So it has like a nice little razor stand that it will sit in, and I mean it's pretty good. It stays in there pretty well, and there's a good hefty weight to the razor. It, like I said, it comes with a 2-blade. Will she focus? Will she focus? Will she focus? It comes with a 2-blade razor and a couple of skin lubricating strips. It also has like a nice little ridge in the middle that is essentially separating the hair as you use it to get it close to the shave. It's really, really cool technology. So I used it also with this Gillette, with the Gillette cooling shave cream. Nice clean feeling is what I'm going for when I use that Dr. Bronner soap. So it's nice to see it in a shave cream. As always, I clean my face. Today I was using that Harry's face wash. Great product. It goes on smooth, and it has the peppermint in there, so that same menthol feel, fresh feeling is getting in there. It also has like a small exfoliant in there, gentle exfoliant as it says on the packaging, and I use the face brush to do that. Towel dry a little bit, then I would obviously apply the shave cream. It's a gel shaving cream that comes out as a gel and then it turns into a foam. So I put that on, give it a chance to sit to see what it's gonna do. I was really like, oh, okay, I'm thinking it's gonna be cooling from the start, and that's not the case. It was one of those like gradual, like whoo 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 whoo. So by the time I was starting to shave my face, I could really feel it. But shaving my head, this razor was just like gliding over, honey. I mean, it was just like shoo, shoo. Like, so once I started shaving, I could feel immediately when I would, each pass would just be like, yes, oh my god, yes. When I would use my Fusion or my Mach 5 or any 5-blade razor, I could feel the blades as they shaved my head. This, it felt like glass. Like, it was so smooth. Every pass was so smooth. Nothing pulling, nothing tugging. I like the fact that as I use it, as I would shave somewhere, that cooling feature would obviously activate, and it just like, oh my gosh. I mean, it was great. Great, 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 great. So getting down to my face, it was really great to use the shave cream there and to get that nice menthol feel, because my beard, normally right here and right here are my problem areas. Like, I can get the most irritation right there, and today I felt nothing. It was just like, in the combination of the shaving cream and also the razor, I really felt like I got one of the best shaves I've had in a long time. So, great product. I'll say this right here has changed the game for me, because this was awesome. This was made for sensitive skin, and they've been showing this on a lot of black men. A lot of the marketing has been with black men as the feature users of the razor. Anyone can obviously use it, but if you have that sensitive skin, that curly skin, maybe you get skin irritations easily, I would suggest this to you. Also, someone in my last video, they commented, oh, well, you should start going against the grain. No, honey. That type of person that can do those types of things. So I just stick with what I know. I get a close enough shave for me. Everyone always says, oh, did you just shave your head? Actually, I shaved it yesterday, but thank you. It was really great using this product. I'm definitely gonna add this into my rotation of razors and give it a chance. I use the Mach 5, I use the 5 blade, I use anything I think will give me the best shave. And yes, it's awesome to have one razor in your arsenal, but it's great to have a whole toolkit. Some days you want to use something different, so that's why we have a lot of different options. Don't be afraid to mix and match. As long as you keep your strokes the same, it should obviously work out. I then moved on to my aftercare. Today I was using this vitamin E. I don't know if you can see it. Focus, focus. Do it, do it, do it. Is she gonna focus? There we go, boom! Obviously good for your skin. So I've been using this on my face and my head. Also, remember, we getting rid of this gremlin. So I'm using this Ambi cream. It kind of like fades dark spots and stuff like that 2-3 times a day if I can remember. Really, I can feel the blades going over my skin. With this one, with the skin guards that you feel like on this razor, it protects you from that feeling. There's no snagging of the hair. There's no need to feel like you need to press down any harder or anything like that. It was just perfect the way it was. It made shaving super quick, and also I felt more confident when I was shaving with this one because I wasn't feeling that irritation of my skin or, oh, let me change directions, things like that. I know the way I shave normally, and I did the same way today as I always do, but even that I can feel some snagging from the razors. Today, not the case. So I do suggest this one definitely if you have that sensitive skin, if you have skin irritations, if you have coarse hair. That's why they have been marketing that to black men, obviously. So please give it a chance. I love this razor. I really, honestly, I know I'm like, oh, all the razors are great. No, honey, this is good. This is some good shite. It was $12 at Walmart. It comes with the razor handle. It comes with the cartridge, which obviously, boop, out of this stand is like elevating their products. You know, it looks a lot cleaner on your sink if you have it sitting in a nice stand off of the sink. Also, we have a tendency to put this face down on the sink, and then boom, your strips are sticking to the sink, and so now it's messing up your razor even further. We want to prolong the life of them if we can. These cartridges are expensive. So that's pretty much it for today. Super quick video. If you guys want to see anything different, just let me know. I am enjoying making these videos for you all and getting to know you getting to know me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening. Guys, stay safe, enjoy your day. Chippy's barking at me. I actually have dinner in the oven, and we know this is a shave video, honey, not a cooking video, so let me get to what I know. So, alright, talk to you soon. Later, to the next one.